Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a grass in Blender. Very easy how to create a grass in Blender. First, create one plane, scale it a little bit, go to particles, click on this plus sign, click on this hair, and hair length type 0.1 and number type 50,000. If you want to increase the hair length, type 0.3 or type 0.5. See, the hair is increasing. Type 0.4. Okay, then click on this advanced feature, click on this physics, and then forces, browning, type 0.5 to add randomness 0.05 or type 0.1. So here is our grass ready. If you want, you can add grass texture or just add color. If you add green color, here is our grass, but I will add grass texture. I have one grass texture. See this, this is our grass texture. So like this, we can create a grass in just, I have created in just 1 minute. This is an easy way to create a grass. If you want, you can also increase the length of the grass. You can increase the randomness of the grass. This is how we can create a grass in Blender. Very easy way to create a grass in Blender. If you add texture, it will give you nice look. Let's take a, let's add some light. Let's take a quick render for our thumbnail. So that's it, friend. This is our final render. This is how we can create grass. I have created in just 2 minutes. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.